Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to get void check in Simplii Financial. So let's get started. First thing first, visit this Simplii Financial website or open the Simplii Financial mobile app and log into your account using your credential. Here I am in a Simplii Financial website. So simply tap on the sign on option available in the top right corner in the white highlights and log in using your card number and the password. And once you logged in, go to the online banking and tap on the account details option available there. Within the account details, you will see the option that might be labeled as void check or direct deposit form or something similar. Follow the prompts to request the void check. You may need to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Then once the void check is generated, you can usually download it as a PDF file or print it directly from the website or app. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.